Hi, welcome back. In this session, we're going to see accounting format and what is accounting format. Let's compare with currency format based on previous session. Let's try to see the results. If you'd like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. And let's learn accounting format and how to compare with currency. Okay, just try to check this. So come back. If you see this, if you select this is the column all about currency. Okay, currently it is in general. So let's try to change it to accounting format. So probably I can able to choose accounting like this. This is one way, or else I can able to choose from this shortcut. So if you click this, see if you compare with this, okay, this is with the spaces left side. It is showing the currency, and whereas your so let me put it. This one is currency format. This is accounting format. Okay. So let's try to make a comparison. What is the basic difference between these two? Okay. So this one like this for a difference. Let's try to make it this one. You can able to see this. Okay. Let me remove this. It's not required. Okay, for amount. So if you can able to see this is the space difference. You don't have the space here. Okay. So whereas if I would like to change it in the similar format, let's come here. Okay. So number. Okay. Currently it is in accounting. I can able to change. So for example, if I would like to change to something else. Okay. So I can able to change here. For example, let me put it Australian dollars. Okay. So now it is got changed like here. Okay. So that is the basic difference. So one is like space between. So this is one of key format, like you can able to find it. It is like it is got attached, right? So another difference when it comes to currency. Okay, if I want it, okay, maybe I can make it center. See, it is not happening, right? So let's try to make it center and left. Okay, you can able to see this. I can able to do that. Let's try to do the same thing with accounting. Okay, so it will not move anywhere. You can able to see this almost. It is showing here only. That is the difference. Okay, so in currency format, you can make an alignment like this. If you want left, if you want right, if you want center. Whereas accounting format, you cannot able to do so. Okay, the first difference is space. Okay, between the data, and second difference is like alignment. Let me show you the third difference. If you see this for zeros, it is showing 0.00, whereas it is showing this one as blank. Okay, when I change this one to currency, so now it is coming as a 0. Now it becomes center, right? So let's try to make it to accounting. So these are the key differences between your currency format and accounting format. One is space with your symbol and amount, and second one is for zeros. It will show here currency format. It is showing zeros and it is showing like this. And third one is you can make alignment for currency, whereas you cannot able to do the same thing for your accounting format. So in the similar story, like if I would like to change the currency, I can able to change it. There is no. So see this is a text. Okay, so that's why it is changing. Whereas if you have this one, you cannot able to change this one. That is the major difference. So let me try to keep it something else. Let me make this one to general. Okay, or else number. So this one also number. I want it. Okay. So if I change both are changed to number, it looks like a similar. Let's try to make it something else. So this one, you look at this is the number. Okay. So here decimals, if I would like to, let's put it in currency again. Okay. Okay. And this one is for your accounting. Okay. So let's try to see if I select this, go to the accounting. Okay. Let me try to increase decimals. So let's keep it 8 decimals. I'm getting here. So let's try to for currency also. So I can 8 decimals. This is fine. It looks like a fantastic. It's look like similar this feature. Okay. So, but I would like to tell you one thing. When it comes to currency, you will, if you would like to show negative values in red color, I can able to do that. Okay, see, it has got changed. Whereas accounting format, I don't have any options to show here. Okay. The first difference is space for, okay, currency symbol and amount. Remember this. Second is currency allows alignment. Okay. Third one is currency allows negative values with red. Okay. Whereas accounting you cannot able to do. Okay. So currency shows 0 as 0, whereas accounting with this symbol. Okay. It's very, very important. That's why I'm telling you. Okay. These are the main differences. Okay. So what else we observed? That's it. Remaining all looks like similar. Okay. If anything I misses to write, and you can comment here if any other differences. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Please subscribe my channel to get more inputs. This is to rise your skills. Thank you so much. Have a great day.